Okay, to get to that AC pump bracket, you got to get over here to your motor mount. You got to back it up so they're just not sticking out like that, so that you can get to this air conditioning pump bolt here. And then you have a bolt right here. It's 15, 15, 18. Alright. And then right behind this damn pump is going to be one right in the middle of the block. You can see where the mount right there. That's the reason you got to take that pump off. Just to take that one bolt out right there. Pain in the ass. But I'm going to change the motor mounts. I'm putting new motor mounts on it, so I'll probably have to take this whole bracket off right here so that I can get to that bolt way up there, unless I can get it with the air conditioning pump out of the way. I can probably get to that one. Get these two out right here, and get those two right there. See? And then do the same thing over here. I need to spray them. Now, this one I don't have to take out, I don't think. I can reach both of those. Alright, peace, y'all.